Acrylic is one of the most popular mediums among artists, and no wonder. It has a creamy texture of oil paints and the ability to blend of watercolor. It also can be used on a variety of surfaces. Today we will show you 10 simple acrylic painting techniques for beginners. For this tutorial, we will use an Artistro acrylic paint set. The acrylic paint kit includes 3 brushes, a palette, and a wide variety of paint colors. Apply clean water to the canvas first. Thin the paint with water and apply it with the wet brush to the wet canvas. Wet the brush, dry it with a paper towel, and scoop up a considerable amount of paint and apply it to the canvas. Use a palette knife to scoop up some paint from the palette and using different angles transfer it to the canvas. The trick is not to apply too much pressure on the knife. Squeeze 2 colors on the palette. On the canvas, paint a line of one color on the top and a line of the other color on the bottom with a dry brush. Next, wash the brush. Then take the first color paint and move it, gradually mixing the colors in the process. Do it fast as the paint dries quickly. First, apply diluted paint using a wet brush. While it's still wet, use a pipette to collect some clean water and add drops of water on the painted layer. Squeeze a few colors on the palette first. With a palette knife, scoop up a large amount of paint and transfer it to the canvas. Then wipe the knife clean and scoop up another color, placing it near the first one on the canvas. This technique was used by Van Gogh. Apply different colors in small strokes close to each other. Apply paint and wait for it to fully dry. Use markers to draw on top of the layer of acrylic. Start by laying down a darker color on the canvas and let it dry. Overlay or glaze a lighter wash on the top. Apply modeling paste with a palette knife. Let it dry. Paint over the top of it. These are only 10 techniques out of a wide range. Stay tuned for more painting hacks from Artistro.